Top 5 actresses who are gay in real life. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Number 1. Full name Ingfa Varaha. Nickname Mook. Profession Mook is a versatile artist excelling as a singer, model, actress. Date of birth born on February 15, 1995. Birthplace Mook hails from Uthai Thani, Thailand. Gay Mook has openly identified as part of the LGBTQ plus community, contributing to increased visibility and representation in Thai media. Marriage date speculation have arisen due to her close association with Charlotte Austin, but no official statements have been made regarding their marital status. Relationship status Mook's close relationship with fellow actress Charlotte Austin has garnered significant public attention. Their on-screen chemistry and off-screen bond have led fans to affectionately refer to them as Englot. Net worth Her estimated annual income ranges between 0.5 million to 1 million US dollars. Number 2. Name Charlotte Austin. Nickname Charlotte. Profession Actress, model, and beauty queen. She gained prominence by securing the fifth runner-up position at Miss Grand Thailand 2022. Date of birth born on December 21, 1998. Birthplace Charlotte was born in Phuket, Thailand. Gay Charlotte has publicly identified as part of the LGBTQ plus community. Her openness has contributed to broader conversation about representation and inclusivity in Thai media. Marriage date While her close relationship with Ingfa has fueled speculation, no formal announcements have been made about a marriage. Relationship status Charlotte's close association with Ingfa has been a subject of public interest. While their bond is evident through shared appearances and mutual support, she confirmed a romantic relationship. Net worth Acting and modeling has led to an estimated net worth between 1 million to 5 million US dollars. Number 3. Name Sarocha Chankima. Nickname Fareen. Profession Beyond acting, Fareen has showcased her talents in singing and modeling, further solidifying her status as a versatile entertainer. Date of birth Fareen was born on August 8, 1998. Birthplace Hailing from Bangkok, Thailand. Marriage date There is no public record or official announcement regarding Fareen's marital status or any marriage plans. Gay While Fareen has portrayed LGBTQ plus characters on screen, she has not publicly disclosed her sexual orientation. Her performances, however, have been instrumental in promoting LGBTQ plus visibility in Thai media. Relationship status Fareen shares a close professional relationship with co-star Becky Armstrong. Their on-screen chemistry has garnered a significant fan following, affectionately dubbed Fareen Becky. Despite public interest, she has confirmed a romantic relationship. Net worth As of recent estimates, her net worth is approximately 1.5 million US dollars. Number 4. Name Rebecca Armstrong. Nickname Becky. Profession. In addition to acting, Becky is a singer and model. Date of birth. Becky was born on December 5, 2002. Birthplace. Born and raised in Bangkok, Thailand. Marriage date. As of now, there is no public information or official statement regarding Becky's marital status or any plans for marriage. Gay. Becky has not publicly discussed her sexual orientation. Relationship status. Becky's professional partnership with Fareen Sorocha in Gap the series has led to widespread fan speculation about their off-screen relationship. Despite their close bond and frequent collaborations, there has been no official confirmation of a romantic relationship between them. Net worth. Recent estimates place her annual income 1.2 million US dollars. Number 5. Name Cyrilla Kwong. Nickname Ling Ling. Profession. Ling Ling is a multifaceted entertainer, actress, model and TV host. Date of birth. Born on May 11, 1995. Birthplace. Ling Ling was born in Hong Kong to a Chinese father and a Thai mother. Married date. As of now, there is no public record or official announcement regarding Ling Ling's marital status or any plans for marriage. Gay. While Ling Ling has portrayed LGBTQ plus character on screen, she has not publicly disclosed her sexual orientation. Her performances have contributed to increased visibility and representation in Thai media. Relationship status. Ling Ling maintains a private personal life and has not publicly confirmed any romantic relationships. Net worth. Ling Ling's estimated annual income ranges between 2 million US dollars. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.